2024 Best 600 Cubic Centimeters Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha YZF R6. The 2024 Yamaha YZF R6, a formidable contender in the 600 cubic centimeters SUPERSPORT category, presents an exhilarating yet demanding choice for beginners entering the realm of higher displacement motorcycles. Recognized for its track-inspired performance, aggressive design, and Yamaha's commitment to cutting-edge engineering, the YZF R6 offers an intense and focused riding experience for novice riders looking to step up to a more powerful class. Powering the Yamaha YZF R6 is a potent 599 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine. Designed for high-revving performance and precision, this power plant delivers an adrenaline-inducing power output, making it well-suited for riders seeking the thrill of a supersport motorcycle. The YZF R6 responsive throttle, race-derived technology, and uncompromising acceleration cater to enthusiasts eager to explore the capabilities of a high-performance sport bike. Design-wise, the YZF R6 exudes a race-ready and aggressive aesthetic, showcasing its supersport pedigree. The bike features aerodynamic fairings, a sporty riding position, and distinctive R-Series styling that emphasizes both form and function. The YZF R6 design not only communicates its ability to dominate the track but also signifies Yamaha's dedication to pushing the boundaries of sport bike design. Comfort is a consideration for riders entering the supersport category, and the Yamaha YZF R6 leans towards a more focused and aggressive riding posture. The sport-oriented ergonomics may require riders to adapt to a more forward-leaning stance, emphasizing performance over extended comfort. As such, the YZF R6 may be best suited for those transitioning from smaller sport bikes or riders with a preference for an aggressive riding position. Handling is a standout feature of the YZF R6, characterized by its nimble and precise performance. The bike's lightweight frame, advanced suspension, and aerodynamic design contribute to exceptional maneuverability, making it well-suited for aggressive cornering and track-oriented riding. Novice riders will need to approach the YZF R6 with caution, as its sharp handling demands a level of skill and confidence developed over time. Safety features are integrated into the YZF R6, including a sophisticated braking system with advanced electronic aids. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 may be available as an option or standard on certain models, enhancing rider control and safety, especially during intense riding scenarios. While the Yamaha YZF R6 offers an exhilarating supersport experience, its high-revving nature, aggressive design, and focused ergonomics may pose challenges for beginners. Additionally, the price point of the YZF R6 positions it as a premium option in the 600 cubic centimeters supersport category, making it an investment in a track-ready and high-performance sport bike. In conclusion, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R6 is a potent choice for beginners entering the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, particularly for those seeking an intense supersport experience. Its track-inspired performance, aggressive design, and Yamaha's commitment to cutting-edge technology make it an ideal companion for riders eager to embrace the dynamic world of high-performance sport bikes, provided they approach it with the necessary skill and respect for its capabilities.